You need the ideas in this episode if you are looking to declutter and organize your home with brand new finds from Dollar Tree. This is part 3 of my whole home organization for just $100. We are going to get to some awesome Dollar Tree finds, but first I want to show you this Amazon organizer that I used to corral all their pet supplies. You're going to need this idea if you have pet supplies scattered here and there all over your house like these homeowners did. I'll provide a link to this over-the-door caddy in my description box below. If you've ever bought over-the-door organizers that seem flimsy and fall apart, you will totally appreciate the one I'm showing you today. I did plenty of research to find this, and the reason I love it is because it provides really sturdy and easy to access shelves. These new Velcro organizers from Dollar Tree were a find I had never seen before, and I'm going to use them to attach this over-the-door shelf system that we're using to organize pet supplies. This is a great idea if you have trouble with things hanging on your door that move every time you open that door. And as you can see, there is plenty of room to hold all kinds of grooming and food and vitamins and just everything that they need for their pet. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome, and comment below and let me know which of these ideas you think you may be able to use in your home. I recently visited my son and daughter-in-law and organized their whole home while I was there. And one of the reasons I really wanted to go was to get to meet my new grand dogs. And we also had so much fun exploring Dollar Trees near them, where I found lots of items that I haven't been able to find in my local Dollar Tree. These plastic canisters from Dollar Tree are the perfect size to fit in the organizer I'm showing you, and they fit treats, vitamins, and other pet necessities perfectly. Comment below and let me know where you store all of your pet supplies. And of course, if you have a pet, let me know their name below. I love to send shout outs to your fur babies. Well, I can't wait to show you some of the goodies we found at my son and daughter-in-law's local Dollar Tree. But before I do that, let me recap what we did in parts 1 and 2 of this whole home organization. I'm linking to the previous episodes where we organized her whole home office, as well as the guest room, closet, and bath. In episode 2, we organized the entire pantry using only Dollar Tree containers. Their laundry area is actually located in their garage. Comment below and let me know if you have a setup like this one. Our goal was to make it more visually appealing and also streamline the system that she had in place. One specific request she had was a solution to the leaking detergent bottles. If you've ever found these large Costco or Sam's size detergent bottles, you know that they can leak all over your appliances and just make a big mess. If you're getting some good ideas so far, click the like button and let me know. And if you haven't already, I would love to have you subscribe. When you subscribe, you're the first to know when I release a brand new episode. I started this laundry room organization by just consolidating everything that she had on her shelves. Another tip to streamline a small laundry area is to take everything out of its original packaging so that you can fit it into predetermined size boxes or bins. I've seen these Dollar Tree pattern bins before, but I love how Dollar Tree is featuring lots of items in neutrals like grays and whites this year. They're also including all different sizes in their bins, not just the traditional sizes. For her steamers and irons, we're using a Dollar Tree fabric bin. Well, now it's time to tackle that messy detergent bottle, and I started by washing it off, and then I did a little research on Amazon and found this detergent caddy. Here I am showing you how easy it is to put together. These caddies come 2 in a pack, and you'll simply want to rest the lid of the detergent bottle on the little shelf, fill it up, and then this eliminates any mess. These caddies are so reasonable and they're such a great solution to a common problem. My only complaint is that they do snap apart very easily, so I glue gunned the two pieces of this unit together to eliminate that problem. We found this brand new laundry area artwork at her local Dollar Tree, and I love the fresh new color scheme. I'm showing you the hamper system that they already owned, and I'm going to attach this with a link. I just thought that it was a great little wheel caddy and something that you might find helpful. My son and daughter-in-law live near a beach, and they love to go every weekend and collect sea glass and other treasures that they find when they're having fun with their dogs. Well, when their dogs get thirsty, they found this adorable little fountain, portable fountain for the dogs to take a drink. So I am linking to that as well below in case you are looking for something like this when your pets get thirsty. They've created an Etsy shop of beautiful sea glass pieces, and if you'd like to enter to win a small jar of sea glass, all you need to do is leave a sun emoji in the comments below. And if you're interested in checking their shop out, there is a 30% off coupon listed in the comment section. Well, I have to say, of all of our Dollar Tree Spring 2023 finds, this is probably my favorite. It's the Real Simple Surface Cleaner. There are two fragrances. One is a floral fragrance, one is a citrus fragrance, and this is all you will need to make your house smell amazing. Next, we found this clip-on fruit and vegetable organizer. Now, this is really easy to use. All you need to do is empty your fruits or vegetables into it. You can easily rinse them off, and then it clips onto the shelf of your refrigerator. If you have a slender shelf like the one I'm showing you, these work perfectly. Otherwise, if you have a thicker fridge shelf, you'll have to use them in a drawer. Well, to organize 8 separate areas of this new home, I came in at just over $100, so I was pretty happy with myself. Remember, my friend, today is not the end of your story. Do not give up.